Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Jayshree Teacher's class. Yay! Today we are going to do what? Tell me what we are going to learn today. Today we are going to talk about the Independence Day. Yes, we are going to learn about Independence Day. But before that we are going to do quick warm up. Come on, ready? Dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Come on, children, dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Roar like a tiger, roar, roar, roar. Roar like a tiger, roar, roar, roar. Let's have fun together. Let's have fun together. Yay! Come on, now teacher will tell you something about our country. Do you know what is the name of our country? Come on, tell me children. What is the name of our country? What is the name of our country? Yes, name of our country is India. India is our country and we should respect our country. We are all Indians. We all live in India and we are all Indians. Where do you live? I live in India and I am an Indian. I live in India and I am an Indian. And who is the president of our country? Who is the president of our country? Yes, Shri Ramnath Kovind is our president of India. Children, repeat. Shri Ramnath Kovind is president of India. And tell me who is the Prime Minister of India? Shri Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. Come on children, repeat after teacher. Shri Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. And now teacher will tell you about our national festival that is going to come. That is Independence Day. India celebrates our Independence Day on 15th August each year. India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August each year. India is also called as Hindustan. India is also called as Hindustan and it is also known as Bharat. Bharat Mata ki Jai. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Yes, you all know this song. Very good children. Well done. Independence Day is our national festival and on this day we hoist the flag at various places like offices, schools and at Red Fort in Delhi. It is a big celebration and it is very proud moment because we became free by the British rule. Okay children, now children we are going to learn about our national flag. Our national flag is called tricolor and it has three colors. It has three colors. See, this is our national flag and national flag is called Tiranga. Come on say, our national flag is called Tiranga and it has three colors. It has three colors. One first band is saffron color, second band is white color and third band is green color. And the wheel between white band. The middle of the white color is wheel. It is called as Dharma Chakra. It is also called as Ashoka Chakra. So we celebrate this day as Independence Day. Children, now come on, we will sing a song on our national flag. Come on. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free. Saffron at the top, down below green, blue will on white in between. I salute the flag and I feel so proud. My country, my people and whole big crowd. I look at my flag and what do I see? A nation so great and country free. Come on, one more time. Come on, let's children. We'll sing this song one more time. And this time you all sing along with the teacher. Come on. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free. Saffron at the top, down below green, blue will on the white, in between. I salute the flag and I feel so proud. My country, my people and whole big crowd. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free. Yay children! Did you all enjoy this song? Hope you will learn this song and you will sing at home. So 15th August we got our freedom. So we celebrate our Independence Day. We got the freedom from British rule. So we are celebrating our Independence Day on 15th of August. Okay children, you all understood the importance of our Independence Day. Now we are going to move to our activity. Children, now we are going to make this hand print hanging. Okay children, see, for that teacher has taken the orange paper, green paper and sketch pen, Fevicol, and here teacher will make a hand print first on the paper. You have to put your hand on this paper and you have to trace your palm on the paper like this. Okay children, and then you have to cut. For cutting your parent will help you. Okay children, so you have to cut like this for your palm. So your palm will look like this. Going to make hat like this. So we will trace the hat in this paper and we will cut it. Okay children. So for cutting you take the help of your parent. So after cutting the shape will be like this. Okay. So like this you will get the shape of the hat. Okay. So now we are going to stick here the hat with the help of Fevicol. And for face we will take the white paper. That also we will stick, applying the Fevicol. Okay children. Now we will stick here black streak. And we will stick here on the hat. Now we will decorate the hat first. Apply the glue here and stick your hat here. Now we will stick here nose. Apply Fevicol and stick the nose. And this, we have cut this square. Teacher has pre-made this. And we will here as a decoration. Now teacher will take the sketch pen and teacher will make the two eyes and smiley. And now teacher will put here eyebrows. And your hand print hanging is ready. You can take one strip and make a hanging. You can take a ribbon also. Teacher has taken the paper, colorful paper. You can take a ribbon also, and you can hang here, stick here, and it will be like a hook for hanging. Okay, children, see. Okay, children, and enjoy doing activity. Children, teacher will come next time with more excited topics. Till then, bye. Happy Independence Day, children. Happy Independence Day. Enjoy the day. Bye.